The Federal Communications Commission voted unanimously on Thursday to expand access to the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline by letting people text 988. Starting next year, text message providers have to support the 3-digit code by July 16, 2022, which is when the code will go into effect. On that same date, people will also be able to dial 988 to access Lifeline following a 2020 FCC ruling. People in need of help before calling or texting 988 is in. Option can call 1-800-273-8255 talk or get connected to a counselor through an online chat. FCC Chair Jessica Rosenworcel said in a tweet that nearly 6,000 Americans call the Lifeline on an average day. As we know from 911, creating an easy-to-remember 3-digit number makes it easier for people to get help when they need it most, she said. By allowing people to call or text the shorter 988 number, the Lifeline could be more accessible for people to turn to in a time of distress. With today's decision to require providers to support text messaging to 988, the FCC has created a new vehicle for people to access help. Daniel H. Gillison, Jr., CEO of the National Alliance on Mental Illness, said in a statement, "The ability to text 988 will support at-risk communities, including youth and young adults, marginalized and underserved populations, and individuals who are deaf and hard of hearing. If you or anyone you know is considering suicide or is anxious, depressed, upset, or needs to talk, there are people who want to help." In the U.S., crisis text line, text START to 741741 from anywhere in the USA, at any time, about any type of crisis. The National Suicide Prevention Lifeline, 1-800-273-8255. The Trevor Project, 1-866-488-7386. Outside the U.S., the International Association for Suicide Prevention lists a number of suicide hotlines by country. Click here to find them. Befrienders Worldwide, https://www.befrienders.org/need-to-talk. Update November 18, 5:16 p.m. Eastern Time. Added statement from the National Alliance on Mental Illness.